In this video, we are going to learn how to perform the delete operation in Spring MVC. Now, we create the delete account function. This function will take the account ID as a parameter, prepare it as request data, and then call the AJAX function. Through this AJAX call, the account ID will be sent to the back end, where the delete operation will be executed. Next, we create the AJAX function that will handle our delete request. First, inside the delete account function, we create a parameter string and add the account ID into it. To make sure the parameter is created correctly, we cross-check it using an alert message. This helps us verify that the correct ID is being passed before sending the request to the backend. We successfully get the correct account ID in the alert message. This confirms that our parameter is ready, and now we can safely pass it into the AJAX call for the delete operation. Next, we add a confirmation box inside the delete account function. We make sure the user confirms the action before proceeding. If the user clicks cancel, the function will stop and no delete request will be sent. This prevents accidental deletion of important records. Now, we write the AJAX call for the delete operation. We send the account ID as parameters to the backend. The request is made with the post method, and once the operation is complete, the response will be handled by the load function. This allows the controller in Spring MVC to process the delete request and remove the account from the database. Now, we write the controller code for handling the delete operation. We use the @request mapping annotation with the URL accountmaster.com and the parameter cmd action equals delete account. Inside the method delete account, we accept a beans object, which carries the account ID passed from the frontend. Then, we create a model and view object pointing to the common.jsp page, where the response message will be displayed after the delete process. Next, we go to the repository interface and declare the method for deleting an account. This method will later be implemented in the repository class to run the SQL DELETE query and remove the account from the database. Now, we implement the abstract method inside the repository implementation class. Here, we implement the delete account method in the repository implementation. Using the SQL query delete from account data where ID equals, we specify that the record with the given ID should be removed. Then, with JDBC template.update, we pass the ID from the beans object to execute the query. This ensures that the selected account is deleted from the account data table in the database. Now we move to the service layer. In our service interface, we declare the delete account function. Now let's implement all abstract methods in our service implementation class. Now we move to the controller. Inside the delete account method, we create a model and view object and call the service layer's delete account method. The result of the delete operation is added to the model with the key success to delete. Finally, we return the model and view, which will display the response on our view page. This code checks if the success to delete variable is not empty. If the value is greater than 0, it shows a green success message saying account deleted successfully. Otherwise, it displays a red error message saying failed to delete the account, please try again. In short, it dynamically alerts the user based on the delete operation result. Now, let's run our Spring MVC project. We have successfully performed the delete operation. The account record has been removed from the database, and a success message is displayed on the screen. We have successfully performed the delete operation. The account record has been removed from the database, and a success message is displayed on the screen.